What's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to be making a nice picture frame. It can be for pictures or for anything that you want to frame, really. In my case, I decided to frame this nice papyrus that my wife and I got in Egypt. It has her name and my name written on it with Egyptian symbols. Let's see how I made this. It was a lot of fun and I'm looking forward to showing you. Okay, so the first thing that we have to do is to get the measurements of our picture frame. So what we want somewhere around here. We don't want it to go all the way out to the end. So we're gonna, even if we have to cut a little bit, we'll do that. So for now, I would say that 12 inches is gonna be good. By about where those things are, where the holders are, 16 inches. All right, so we got it, 12 by 16. That's what we need. Okay, so now that we have our 45 cut, it's time to decide where we're gonna put all of them. And it is important to make sure that you're gonna be using the sides that that look the best. In this case, this way. We definitely don't want that on the front. Then this way. So I like this part a little bit better. Okay, so there we have it. We have our 45 cut, and clearly my miter size isn't the greatest, but it's okay. I much rather like this one right here. The opening is a little bit on the outside, but all of them, all the other three it's on the inside a little bit, and I prefer that it's there because it's easier to fill it in with wood glue and a little bit combination with the sawdust after we're done sanding it. Obviously, it's not what you wish had happened. But if it does, and will happen, I think more times than it doesn't, that's a great solution. But I think this is gonna look great anyways. So pretty simple. Now we're gonna do the inside indentation where the acrylic is gonna sit. We'll go from there. Okay, so before doing any of the chamfering and round overs or anything like that, what I decided to do is to first put it together, and I'm gonna use this Bessie strap clamp. I've heard a lot of mixed reviews on YouTube and stuff like that. This is gonna be also my first time using it, so we'll see how easy or how difficult it goes. I kind of already set it up to like where the corners are gonna be. I'm also using these benchtop cookies to help me kind of keep it a little bit higher so that these straps can hold it. We'll see. It also helps me to keep it a little bit more, so it doesn't slide over as much. Also, I'm using this for the glue up. Once it's all done, I'm just gonna put it on here and wait a little bit until the glue sets. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. I mean, I don't know. I'm excited to use this strap, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, so it's done, and I don't know. It was a little bit difficult, especially keeping the corners together so that it wouldn't be sliding. But once you get it though, like it's just super easy. Just tighten it and then, you know, just spin this knob right here. It's not that difficult, so I don't know. I think I'll keep using it. I don't see anything wrong with it. Yeah, I'm pretty pleased with it. We're gonna wait for the glue to dry a little bit, and then we're gonna get going with a few other things that we're gonna do to it to make it look nice, and hopefully we can get it all done today. All right, so I'm just gonna say it. I love the way this is looking already with this molding or edging that I did on this frame. It actually, like, just seriously, like, brought it to a different level. I think I wanna do a round over, just to, you know, do something there, because I think this is too thick. I'm interested to know what you would have done, because maybe I can do it next time. This is definitely not the last frame I wanna make, so yeah, let me know what you would have done. In the meantime, let's do a round over. But for this one, I am gonna use my palm router, just because I don't feel like changing that one over there again. It's a lot of work, so let me just use my my palm one. Let's do it. All right, let's put this finish on. I did some more light sanding off camera, but it's basically all the same. I'm just gonna add this All Masters gel stain. It's a natural color. Okay, so it's been a few days since we glued and stained our frame, and all there is left to do really is just to cut the acrylic to size and put it all together. I did buy this pin pusher. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's just to put the pins in the back of the frame. If you do not have one of these, you can always just use like little nails or something else to keep it all together. But I found that, you know, I really want to make more frames in the future, so I thought this would be a good investment for me. But once again, if it's not for you, you can just find a different method of securing everything together. But let's just cut the acrylic to size and put it all together, and then we're gonna be done. All right, so we are done finally, and I think it looks amazing. This thing just came out really, really good. The reason I didn't really show you how I put it all together is because I didn't do it the proper way. I did it using just a regular cardboard. There are things that they sell that is just like better for backing of the pictures, but I just thought for this one, cardboard would be just fine. In the future, I may just switch it out, but with these pins, these are the ones that you can just bend out, change it up, and then bend back in. So it's not that difficult to do, but I just didn't want to show you an improper way to do things. So, but In the end though, it still looks really good. So let me know what you think of this project. Let me know if there's anything else that I could have done differently or added to it. And if you do make your own one, please let me know down in the description. I'm gonna leave all my social media, and I would love to hear from you, see your projects, and learn from each other. That's what this whole thing is all about, right? Woodworking is about learning from each other, trying out new things, learning new things. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate you stopping by, and I'll see you in the next one.